Hello everyone, welcome back to the online help guide. I'll be guiding you to change language on Instagram in this video. Let's get started. First, open Instagram on your device. Tap on your profile picture at the bottom right. Tap on the hamburger icon at the top right. Scroll down to your app and media. Tap on language. Here you can search for your language that you want to change to, or simply search for the language by scrolling like so. Now, once you find it, simply tap on the language. And that is how to change language on Instagram. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.